Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change your Twitter password. Log into your Twitter account if you are not already logged in. Click on the More tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Settings and Support from the pop-up menu. Now click on the Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Under Settings section, click on Your Account. Your account settings page will open. Click on Change Your Password option. In the first field, enter your current password. In the second field, enter your new password. In the third field, re-enter your new password to confirm. Click Save to apply the changes. That's it, changes has been saved. This is how you can change your Twitter password. Thank you for watching.